Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Yorkshire Terrier token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to go over to Trust Wallet. I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. There will be separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do that. But otherwise, if you have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet right here, I just want to make sure that you guys know you have to swap it to your smart chain wallet or else it will not show on PancakeSwap. So that's very important. If you have it in your BNB wallet right here, you just want to go ahead and click on BNB. Click on swap and you'll see an option right here at the bottom to swap to smart chain. You're gonna want to make sure that you have it in your smart chain wallet, or like I said, it will not show up on PancakeSwap under your balance, and then you'll not be able to swap for the token. So that's very important there. But once you guys have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet, all we have to do now is get the contract address. And I'll have a link in the description and in the comment section down below to the website for the token, where we're going to get the contract address from directly. So if you guys just head over to that link, I'll show you what to do next once you're on the website. And once you're on the website here for the token, we're just going to go to where it says contract address here and just copy this. Once we have this copied here, we can then exit right back into our Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles and click on that. We can then paste the contract address in the top search bar here. We'll then see add custom token. So we just go ahead and click on add custom token. All we have to do now is switch the network from Ethereum over to smart chain and then just paste in the contract address. Once we put the contract address in here, we can just put the name for the token. So it'll be Yorkshire Terrier. The symbol will be Yorkie, so just Yorkie. And then decimals for this token is 9. So once you have those 3 things in there, all you have to do is go to the top right corner of the screen where you see the save button and click on save. Now that we have a spot for our token in here, we can now head over to the exchange. So I'll have a link in the description and comment section below for the exchange for PancakeSwap at least as well. So you guys can just go ahead and click on that link, and then I'll show you what to do next once you're on PancakeSwap. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, it's very important that you guys make sure you're on the official PancakeSwap. It should just be pancakeswap.finance. If you guys click the link I have in the description, you're good to go. But if you guys did Google it, just make sure you didn't click a phishing link. It's a very big problem. I don't want you guys to get scammed out of your BNB. So it's very important that you're on the official PancakeSwap. Just want to point that out there before we get started and connect our wallets, because you do not want to lose your BNB. Anyhow, all you have to do once you're on the website here is just go to the top right corner and click on Connect Wallet. Then we want to click on Wallet Connect. Once we do that here, it's going to take a second for it to load our options for Wallet Connect. So we just give it a moment here to load up. We'll then click on Trust Wallet. It's then going to take a second to connect to our wallet and bring up this screen here asking us to connect it to PancakeSwap. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect, then head right back into PancakeSwap. Now once we're back in PancakeSwap, we'll know we're connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right beside BNB right here. Once we have this done here, we just want to click on where it says Cake. Click on that. And then all we have to do is paste in that contract address that we got from the website. And then once we do that, the token will take a second to pop up. If it doesn't show the token available, just exit out of here and go back into it and just try pasting it again. Sometimes it does take a second to show up. But once it does show up for you, you can click on Import, I understand, and Import. Now, once we have the BNB in there and the token in here, all we have to do now is set a slippage tolerance. So we just go beside where it says swap. You'll see this little settings gear right here. Just go ahead and click on that little settings gear. Then you'll see an option here for swaps and liquidity. Now for slippage tolerance for these tokens, they do generally are around 12%, but you guys can try a little bit lower if you want. If it does fail for the transaction, you just do have to just raise the slippage tolerance a little bit more. But I would start off with 12% for this token and see if that works for you. But like I said, if it doesn't, just rise it up a little bit. All depends on the liquidity at the time that you're trying to purchase the token. But anyways, once you have your slippage tolerance in there, you just have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into this token. So just say, for example, you want to do 1 BNB. Just type in the 1 BNB, and we'll then show you the amount that you get in exchange for the 1 BNB. Now, if you're happy with that, you just want to go down to where you see insufficient BNB balance. Just go ahead and click on that. It'll say swap for you, but it says insufficient for me. Once you click on swap, though, it'll bring you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you the fees and things like that that are involved with the transaction. Just make sure you read through that and you understand that and you're comfortable before you go ahead with the transaction. Once you click on the swap one more time, it's going to open up a page inside of your Trust Wallet asking you to confirm the transaction so the BNB actually gets swapped for the token, and then the token will go back in your Trust Wallet. But once you click on that confirm inside of the pop-up in your Trust Wallet, you'll get a successful transaction notice on PancakeSwap. Once you receive that, you can then head right back into your Trust Wallet, and the token will usually arrive here typically within a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the most. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.